Hi there, Gaines, Power Cycle Trading. I wanted to show you a couple more really nice looking momentum trade setups that took place today. Trading is really, about getting direction right, and the more comfortable and confident you feel about direction, the more profits. So here was a really nice trade setup here on crude oil today. So this combines two indicators that we use. This is called the opening range breakout indicator. So it gives a opening range of the day high and the low, and based on an opening range formula. So the high is a blue horizontal, and then the red. Now, what is really a super trade is when you get a break below the a lower range, the opening range, and then what you're looking for is potential come back inside the range. And in this situation, you can see using the momentum indicators that we have. This is called a momentum flow indicator. It shows multiple time frames that are showing positive momentum. So when you get everything starting to really click and stack on top of each other as far as momentum, you can see the power of the moves that develop. So here, this came right at about 9:55, and then right here about 10 o'clock Central, it broke this trend line and then just started trending straight to the upside. Now, the other place to catch this trade is when it breaks the opening range high. So really two great setups. First, here where all the momentum had lined up on the 5-minute chart, broke the trend line, and then trended back up, broke the opening range high, and you could get in there again or just keep holding your trade all the way up, following that 8 EMA, and that was a really sweet trade. Here's another one that set up earlier in the morning. This one was on gold. So you can see here gold since early Tuesday morning was just in a heavy momentum starting to shift to the downside on multiple time frames here. So here's the opening range indicator. So here's the opening range low, the red and the blue on that. So that's measured based on opening range formula at the start of our day. Now here it is on a 5-minute time frame. So put your trend lines in. We still see this volatility squeeze. So this had the benefit of a volatility squeeze, opening range break, and then the thing that's the beautiful part of it is the momentum indicators are all stacked on top of each other. 4 momentum time frames all going down. So that really gives you confidence to take that trade when you see that the momentum on 4 different time frames is all down. So it just gives you that comfort level, and you can see when it did break that trend line here at 1341, just a really steady trend all the way down. Look at that ADMA. Didn't come back up to catch a breath until right here at about 1333. So a big move down here, and this is what we call volatility squeeze breakdown, opening range breakdown, momentum stacked together. So I hope this helps. Look forward to the next video and talk more about directional trading.